In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the course details page in Tutorlms. If you're looking to customize the way your course details are displayed, you're in the right place. We'll walk through how to enable or disable different sections on your course page, and I'll also guide you on how to set up a sticky sidebar to enhance user navigation. Let's dive in. First off, we need to focus on the settings that control the visibility of various sections on your course details page. To do this, navigate to the Tutorlms menu on your WordPress dashboard. Click on Settings, and then select Course. Here, you're presented with options to toggle the visibility for different sections, such as instructor info, reviews, Q&A, and others. These features allow you to tailor the course details page to better suit your desired presentation. For example, if you wish to highlight the instructor's credentials to boost credibility, make sure the instructor info section is enabled. Or perhaps you want to encourage interaction and user feedback. In that case, enabling reviews and Q&A would be beneficial. Remember, the goal is to make the course page as informative and engaging as possible for your learners. Next, let's talk about the sticky sidebar. A sticky sidebar ensures that crucial navigation and information are always accessible, even as users scroll through lengthy course content. To activate this feature, remain in the Tutorlms settings area, but move to the Design tab. Here, you'll find an option to make the sidebar sticky. Simply toggle this on. With a sticky sidebar, elements such as the course outline or the instructor profile stay in view, providing a constant reference point for your visitors. This might seem like a small change, but it significantly enhances user experience by minimizing the need to scroll back and forth through your page. Remember, these customizations are all about creating an efficient and user-friendly environment for your students. A well-organized course details page not only looks professional, but also helps learners find the information they need quickly, keeping them engaged and more likely to complete the course. These adjustments can be made quickly, but their impact can be substantial. By turning on or off the specific features and implementing a sticky sidebar, you're taking significant steps towards optimizing your online course platform. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to edit the course details page in Tutorlms. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on streamlining your online learning environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.